In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your email signature in Outlook. Personalizing your email signature adds a professional touch to your emails and ensures consistency in your communication. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or updating an existing signature, I'm going to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's start by launching Outlook. Once you have Outlook open, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Clicking this icon will give you access to various customization options. After you've opened settings, you need to click on the option labeled View All Outlook Settings. This will provide a detailed layout of all the configurations available within Outlook. Don't worry if this looks a bit overwhelming at first glance. We're going to navigate through it with ease. Now cast your eyes to the left-hand side of the settings window. Here, you will notice several tabs that categorize your settings. Find and select the Mail tab. Under this category, you'll encounter a submenu. Choose Compose and Reply. This section is where you can create and modify your email signature. In the middle of the Compose and Reply page, you'll see a box specifically designed for email signatures. This is your canvas. If you already have a signature, it will appear here, ready for any updates you wish to make. If you're starting fresh, this box will be blank, waiting for your creativity. Take your time crafting a signature that reflects your style and professional identity. You might want to include your name, job title, company, contact information, and any other relevant details. It's a good idea to keep it concise, yet informative. Remember, you can also format your signature by changing the font, size, and color to make it visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with your email signature, it's crucial to save your work. Doing so ensures that your signature will automatically appear in your future emails. Look towards the bottom of the settings page and click on the Save button. Finally, it's time to see your new email signature in action. Return to your Outlook inbox and start composing a new email. When you open the new email window, you should spot your freshly created signature pre-populated at the bottom. This is a great opportunity to review how it looks in an actual email setting. If everything appears as expected, congratulations! You've successfully set up your email signature. And there you have it, a personalized email signature ready to impress. If you ever need to make changes, just head back to the settings and you can tweak it to your heart's content. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!